2021 Toyota CHR for a Cobra Touch Immobiliser. Now, as you can see down here in the very corner is our immobiliser. We have 2 tags present for this vehicle. Obviously, with the tag, we can simply touch it on the receptacle. The light will stop flashing, and that allows us to now start the vehicle. So if we start the vehicle up, as you can see, it says ready in the bottom corner. If we switch the vehicle off now, if we want to, we can bring it back on straight away by simply pressing the button with the tag again. That allows us to not start. So as you can see, starting the engine will have no effect until you switch it back off again, and you can now start. Obviously, if you do remember to press it as you get out of the vehicle, it's not a problem. If you forget, it will automatically re-come back on in around about 3 minutes time. So once you have the vehicle switched off, it comes back on after 2 to 3 minutes.